Hi my lovely ones, it's Ethony and it is Friday, which means it's First Impressions Friday on my channel, and this week we are going to be discovering the, look how shiny that is, pretty appropriate shine from the Inside Oracle Deck and Guidebook by the lovely Brittany Carmichael and artwork by Jenna Kane. It's so shiny. Like, I know there's plastic on here, but there is actually like a rose gold and then a holographic shine on there. You can see with the moons. It's so pretty. So I love the back too. It says there's no magic pill for self-love. Look at this, it's gorgeous. So it's a 44 card deck, and this was sent to me by Brittany Carmichael, and I'm really excited. This is such a gorgeous, I'm really into pastels. I love everything pastel. I would love to have pastel mermaid colored hair. I might get a wig just to see what that looks like. Anyway, let's hop over the cameras and discover the Shine from the Inside deck by Brittany Carmichael.
Okay, so now it's time to go through the Shine from the Inside Oracle Cards and Guidebook by Brittany Carmichael and artwork by Jenna Kane. And look how gorgeous that is. I am such a sucker. First of all, like, I love rose gold, as you all know, but I am such a sucker for holographics as well. It's like, oh, shiny, I'm like a magpie. You're exactly where you're meant to be. Gorgeous, so BrittanyCarmichael.com, gorgeous box. You are meant to shine. Then we have this lovely chunky guidebook. Oh, and it's color. I like. So that's the box. Alrighty, the backs are beautiful. So this one's not gilded. It is a pretty standard Oracle deck size. I like this size. I am already obsessed with this color palette, as I mentioned before. I love pastels. It's non-reversible in regards to the backs, but I don't do reversals anyway, and especially not really with Oracle decks. Sometimes I do. Beautiful design though. Okay, let's go through the cards. Oh, the cardstock, it's a matte finish laminate, and the cardstock is probably a 350 GSM, and it's quite beautiful. So this is watercolor artwork, which is also one of my favorite mediums. So align your actions with your intentions. Allow unlimited abundance. Oh, ask for help. It doesn't make you weak. That's so beautiful. That's something a lot of people struggle with. Awaken your authentic self and be true to you. Be bold. Don't be afraid to stand out. Believe in yourself. Unleash your inner unicorn. Oh man, I wish I had hair like that. I can imagine it's such a pain to keep it up if it wasn't a wig, and I want this cape, kimono, whatever it is, I want it. Breathe in bliss. Exhale bullshit. Really gorgeous artwork too. But I am a sucker for some watercolor. Celebrate yourself. You deserve it. Yay. Change one thing today. Start small. Such good advice. Sometimes we get a little overwhelmed here. Commit to self-care rituals. Create your own happiness. This is the cover image. Embrace your inner divine goddess. Forgive someone. And sometimes that is talking about the self as well. Get back to nature and reconnect to your hippie roots. Yes. Get creative and excite your imagination with wonder. I like this one too because I do a lot of I'm into crafting a lot of stuff, and sometimes I just create things to just create them for myself. Like, no one needs to see it. It's just I want to do the pretty things. Gratitude rampage. List 10 things you're thankful for. Journal it out. Write how you feel. So as you can see, this is really great practical advice for a lot of it. Keep your thoughts positive. So it's not completely ethereal and like sometimes like decks can be very, very ethereal and very kind of like in your mind, whereas a lot of this is also practical, like writing 10 things that you're grateful for or changing one small thing. Let go of control and relax into flow. This is a beautiful one too. Look for the signs and synchronicities. This one is Brit, I know. Nourish your body with high vibing energy. Perform a random act of kindness, one of my favorite things to do. Oh, this one's gorgeous. Practice feng shui, create a sacred space. Release self-doubt and let go of fear. Remove the limited labels you are wearing. Oh, I like that. Look at that. Beautiful. I love that. Oh, this is another gorgeous one. Set your intentions with heart and soul. This is another one that's Brit. Show off your sparkle and shine from the inside. Slow down and rest. You need it. Stay away from drama today. Great advice. Sometimes we just need to walk away from the drama. Step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Oh, gorgeous. Stop judging and start loving. Surround yourself with your soul tribe. Today holds unlimited possibilities to see the beauty in life. That's gorgeous. Now I want to crack out my watercolors. Treat yourself to something beautiful today. Trust your intuition. She's always right. Tune into your inner peace. Oh, don't know where balance came from. Oh. Turn criticism into kindness. Turn lemons into lessons. Oh, I love that. There's some really unique ones in here. Unleash your inner wild child. Get up and dance. I love a good dance party. Dominic and I, my son, we have dance parties all the time, and it's just like stop dance party. It's really, really fun. We've been doing that since he could stand. Write down your goals. Dream big. Sometimes you just need to like actually move, even if no one's watching, just to move that body and shake it out. Yes, you are perfectly beautiful. You are pure magic. That's gorgeous too. Your reality is a reflection of your inner world. Your soul whispers love. Your ego shouts fear. That's great. Beautiful deck. Okay, shuffle's really lovely. One more. Okay. Cut that. What did we get? journal it out, write how you feel. I actually started a gratitude journal this year. I haven't been great at keeping it up. I have been trying. So let's have a look at the guidebook. So it's a lovely, it's a lovely color guidebook. Getting started, the basics, meaning. So we have, I love this so you can quickly see, and then your next steps. So dedication, a note from Brit, we're meant to shine, getting started, the basics, consulting the guidebook, simple spreads. So 1 card, 3 card, self-care, self-love. So that's, and then we got the card meanings. And with each one, we have the card, and then there's an affirmation as well. It's mine. So journal it out and write how you feel. So I commit to clear some space, tune into my soul, and journal it out. It's great, really pretty, really beautiful deck. And again, I'm really into this color palette, so it's got me. And then my dream for you, and then about the artist and the author, and resources. So gorgeous. Beautiful. All right, my loves, isn't that a beautiful deck? I am going to put in the description box below where you can go get this deck and support the artist and the creator. And as always, thank you so much for watching.